Hello everyone, welcome to Trendy Outfits Vibes. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and support us. Press the like button and share this video with your friends and family because your support helps us bring more amazing fashion content for you. Fashion is not just for the youngs. Fashion belongs to every woman no matter her age. In fact, when a woman crosses her 50s, 60s or 70s, her sense of style becomes even more beautiful, more natural, and more graceful. With age comes wisdom, confidence, and elegance. And when these qualities combine with fashion, the result is simply timeless. Today we celebrate mature women who are 50, 60, or 70 years and who still shine brightly with their unique charm. We believe that fashion has no age limit. You do not need to be young to look stylish. You only need confidence, the right outfits, and a positive spirit. Let us bring with casual fashion. Many older women prefer comfort, but comfort does not mean boring. Soft cardigans, cotton shirt, and light jacket can look amazing when paired with well-fitted jeans for trousers. A white shirt with blue denim is a classic look that never goes out of style for summer days. Light fabrics such as cotton are perfect while in color months. Layering with cozy sweaters and jackets create both warmth and elegance. For women in their 50s and 60s, dresses are a wonderful choice. A knee-length dress in soft color or floral pattern can look refreshing and elegant. Midi dress and maxi dress also look fantastic on mature women. These outfits not only bring comfort but also highlight natural grace. Natural tones like pinks, grey, and navy create a calm and classy look, while bold shades like red, emerald green, or royal blue bring energy and confidence. Now, let us talk about outerwear. A stylish coat or trench coat can completely transform an outfit. Long coat with simple cuts make a mature woman look powerful and elegant. Blazers are also an excellent choice. A well-tailored blazer paired with trousers or skirts can make you look sharp and confident, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Skirts are another versatile option. A line skirt or plaited skirts worn with a simple blouse can look very charming from women. A Buse 60 soft flowing skirts with comfortable top and both femininity and elegance. The key is to find the right balance between simplicity and sophistication. You do not need a lot but just a few right classy which watch, a simple chain, or a pair of elegant earrings and complete your look. Scarves are also wonderful. They can be worn around the neck. A colorful scarf and can instantly brighten any outfit. Handbags are more than just useful items. They are part of your style. Choose medium-sized bags in natural colors or bold hats, depending on your mood. Footwear is something no woman should ignore. A 50 or 60 comfort becomes even more important, but comfortable shoes can still be stylish. Low heels, pumps, black heels, loafers, or even stylish sneakers can all look perfect for casual outing. Sneakers are both modern and easy to walk. Formal event, block heels, or elegant flat create the perfect balance of comfort and fashion. Makeup for older women should always highlight natural beauty. There is no need for heavy makeup. A little foundation, soft brush, and natural lipstick are hair is also an important part of mature fashion. Many women in their 50s or 60s have natural silver or grey hair and it look stunning. Its silver hair can shine beautifully when cut is a style bob or layered style. If you like longer hair, keep it soft and well maintained. Short haircut also look fresh and easy to Manage, remember, healthy hair is always stylish. Now let us talk about confidence. Confidence is the real secret of beauty. A woman in her 70s walking gracefully with a simple outfit often looks more attractive than your young women who look confident the way you are carrying yourself better more than their price or your dress walk take smile and wear your outfit with pride. Seasons also play a role in fashion. In spring and summer, light dresses, cotton